Welcome to PartsHnC. We have some fantastic news for you. We're lowering our prices to an all-time low. From air conditioner parts to heat pumps, we've got you covered. It's an incredible opportunity to upgrade your HVAC equipment without breaking the bank. So here's how it's going to work. For a limited time only, we're cutting our regular prices by up to 50%. That's right, half price on a wide range of HVAC parts and accessories. But remember, this isn't a permanent price drop. It's a massive discount that you simply can't afford to miss. Now let's take a look at some of the incredible deals we have in store for you today. From top-notch air conditioner parts and furnace essentials to cutting-edge heat pumps, we have a broad spectrum of HVAC products waiting for you, all at slashed prices. We're talking everything from filters and thermostats to vents and insulation. Yes, you'll find everything you need at unbeatable prices. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do you take advantage of these unbelievable prices? It's as easy as pie. Simply head over to our website where you can browse our vast collection of HVAC products. This is a limited time offer, so act quickly. Don't let this golden opportunity slip through your fingers. And don't forget to share the good news with your friends and colleagues. After all, who doesn't love a good deal? Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to save big and get the HVAC products you've always wanted. Happy shopping!